Hey guys, Marty here with Camping Forever, and I've got something I'm working on today, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. I'm gonna be playing with this. It's my new drone. I got me a nice little drone here. My wife got it for me, and I'm gonna put it up in the air and see what kind of oh, there's the little camera right there in the front. Pretty cool, huh? I'm gonna send this thing up and try not to wreck it too bad. Never had one of these before, so I'm a little bit thrilled, but I'm gonna play with this one for a while and see and hope that I don't destroy it. I'm gonna try not to destroy it in these power lines and trees all around. So I don't know, let's see what happens. Battery dead. So it gets about 6 to 8 minutes of battery life before it dies. That was a lot of fun. I did crash it and lose the propeller guard off of it, but it still flies real good. Pretty neat little, I can't wait to see what the camera came up with. I have to check that out. Pretty cool little drone, man. I like it. Okay guys, so I found the guard, and it just clips right back onto here like that, and just clips on. Uh-oh. Let's try that again. Let's make sure I got it right here. There we go. Clipped right back on. So the drone is whole again. These things are made for that. I mean, I guess they just clip on and off, but because they know you're going to be crashing it. But man, what a fun little thing to learn on. That's a cool drone. I like it. But anyway, I'm going to charge it up and keep playing with it some more. So the next clip will be, I might try some tricks with it. It's got a booklet on how to make it flip over and do some crazy stuff. So we'll see. All right, guys. Well, I gave that thing my best shot. It's the next day. Yesterday I got it up in the air and did all right. Today I tried to finish out the video, and I was gonna make it do some tricks that I learned from the manual that it came with, but there was just no getting it to do anything today. It's just too windy. It's so light, and as soon as it takes off, the wind just takes it and it's gone. So I had fun playing with it anyway. I'm not going to bring it back out today, but I'm going to be using it in some videos, and I got some pretty cool camera shots. I'm still learning how to do that, but I'll put them at the end of this video in the outro, and just give you a little taste of what I've been playing around with. And it's kind of funny because I don't really know how to use it very good yet, but I'm learning and I'll get there. Just gonna play with it a little bit more. But anyways, it was really fun to wrap up the North Georgia loop, and well, that wind is taking my motorcycle covering. But anyway, yeah, it was really fun to wrap up the North Georgia loop. I had a lot of fun on that. I think it was like 21 videos. I put them all in the playlist. You can check the playlist on my homepage. Had a lot of fun doing that, and as far as the plans go for the next trip, I'm gonna be taking random trips, and I may revisit some of the places that I've been, and I may go to somewhere totally new. I don't even know. I don't have a plan at this point, and I'm not really going to make one for the upcoming videos. There will be lots of upcoming videos though. Just don't know what it's going to be yet. So y'all just hang in there and have fun with me and join me on this journey in my van. And as I go to different places and travel, I'll bring you with me. So, but anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, stay safe, happy, healthy, and free. And I'll see you in a few days, guys. Bye.
It keeps its distance. Did you see I was walking this way?
Yeah.
The camera stays right on it.